Hello, my name is Mohammad Haziq Shamuddin, in UNID with metric number 66722. I'm going to present part 1 in this module 3, which is define infrastructure. So in my part, we have two comparison, which is from original schedule and revised schedule, and original budget and revised budget. For the schedule, we have reduced our days 10%, which is from 134 days to 121 days, which deduct around 13 days. So we deduct the driven project charter and plan and analysis because for us, this both activity can be done simultaneously. So next is for the budget, we reduce it 20% from 114,250 to 91,400. As for the worker, it will remain the same. For orders like hardware, software, facilities and others, we can get sponsorship from them. In return, we just promote what the product they give to us. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, now I will proceed with the risk and strategy for every phase in this project. For the conceptualized and initialized project, we have two risks. First one is stakeholder might change their mind and receive a request from another organization. Second, key team member leave the project. So the strategy to overcome this risk is first one, we are confident in our idea and get the mutual agreement to remain the strong relationship between both sides. And the second one is to make sure that the key team member has no problem with the projects. For develop project charter and plans phase, we also have two risks. First one is scope and requirement cannot be defined by stakeholder. Second, reduction of the budget of the projects. So the strategy to overcome this risk is first one, make sure stakeholders are aware of what they need. Second, project managers may hire an expert to review financial plans. For execute and control phase, we have two risks. First one is insufficient resources, and the second one is miscommunication of project requirement with stakeholders. So the strategy to overcome this risk is first one, project manager or technical consultant will review the technical plans. The second one is the project manager should share the risk to avoid misunderstanding within each other. For cross-project phase, we have two risks. The first one is insufficient experience for worker, and the second one is illicit agreement are not secured by the company. So the strategy to overcome this risk is the first one, assigning high-trained project staff to train workers, and the second one is to make sure options are available for backup reasons. Lastly, for evaluate project success phase, the risk is the system failure will occur. So the strategy to overcome this risk is in case in natural disaster, the insurance may be purchased to transfer the risk from the project to insurance company in order to use the transfer method.
The strategy that we develop for converting our client's current system to the new application system is direct cutover strategy. The direct cutover approach will make the changeover from the old system to the new system to occur immediately when the new system becomes operational. It will be not very time consuming for the client as once the old system has stopped being used, the new system is immediately being set up. This conversion strategy also the least expensive changeover method because the developer group has to operate and maintain only one system at a time. We choose the direct cutover method for converting this attendance against system because we know the system involves less risk of total system failure.
Assalamualaikum and hello sir. I'm Sarah Lena with the metric number 71486. In order to ensure that our project has been closed properly, we have created a checklist to assist us in our project closure. First in the list is we have to make sure that all requirements in the project scope are fulfilled. Next, all deliverables and open item must be handed over to stakeholders and are signed off and verified. Then we need to obtain our project sponsors or customers' final acceptance of the project. We later need to gain everyone's recognition, agreement, and confirmation that our project is completed. Another point in the checklist is that we have to review all contracts and documentation. We also need to pay off all invoices and close all project accounts. Then, we must finalize all project reports, organize and archive all project deliverables and documentation for our team's future reference. Soon, we must release all project resources. After that, we shall conduct a post-mortem to evaluate and provide a review on all of our team members and on the project itself. Last one in the list, we will have a celebration to mark the end of the project. So once all of this is done, it is safe to say that our project has been closed properly. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum sir, I will present discussion on how to evaluate the system. Based on our project MOV, we will evaluate as the stakeholders and review the best solution for our client. The project aims to improve the quality and effectiveness of the work environment that employees practice. With three alternative solutions, the system will have low latency and high sensitivity, which the system scans more accurately. The financial problems we also overcome, which is the operational costs are minimum. The advantage and disadvantages of the three alternatives also have been there to overcome the risk and damage to keep away and prepare the project system. We also allocate testing period to ensure the biometric system could scan the employees' attendance. Hence, we believe that our system can satisfy employees' work environment with all systematic algorithms that adapt to the system.